Right, I'll see if this works, because I can't actually see the camera when I'm doing this. But anyway, piece of rag, slide it up under the handle, and then assuming somebody's put the handle on in the right place. So somebody's put this clipping back to front. Always have to follow the other mechanic, don't you, that does it wrong. Fuck's sake. So my fast way is not going to work because somebody's put the clip on back to front. So now we're at the can you get in here with a pick? Okay, so had this have been put in the correct way around, somebody's put the clip in, just check I can see that on the camera. So somebody put the clip in that way around. The clip is supposed to go that way around. Let's pop it on there. And it rests on there, like that. Unbelievable. So now I'm going to put it back on and show you the easy method of taking it off. So I'm just resetting the thing. Right, so pop it back on. going well, is it really? I haven't brought my glasses out. Maybe this is different to an Astra. Oh, I need to go and get my glasses. I can't see shit. There is a little guide there that's buggered. Why is it everything I touch on this car's been mullered? Right. Now it's back on properly. And the clips are right orientation to it. So, you get a bit of cloth. I found doesn't really matter what cloth, but something that's basically you can tell what's coming. So you get your cloth under the handle, like that, and then pull it sideways. This was a lot easier when I was sort of 16 getting it off my Astra. So yeah, do a video, show you the easy way of getting the clip off. I don't know if you see that. There's the clip. Because the rag's caught hold of it. Now you can pull it. There you go. How well that come out on camera I don't know, but that's a quick way, theoretically, of getting these clips off when they're put the right way around. So that way, that way, and then when this is on the car and you've got your rag wound up to it, what happens is the rag catches on the end of the clip and lifts it up like that and opens it up, and then you can pull the clip out.
2 hours later.